welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to catch you up on the batch cutting video that I posted a couple of weeks ago and show you the finished product for everything that was in that video. So get ready, let's go. We're back. So, do you want the bad news first or the good news? I'm just deciding since nobody can respond. We're gonna do, sometimes I'm so nerdy. We're gonna do the bad news. Okay, so I talked about a certain pattern in my batch cutting video, actually a collection of patterns, that I will pop a picture of here so you can remember what they were, but it was workshop patterns. It was like a pajama kind of set. Okay, so the pants, let's just start with the part that wasn't quite as bad. The pants were okay. They fit okay. I made them in this peach linen. They are made out of a beautiful linen. They have pockets, everything went smoothly making them, but guess what? It's a good thing I've made pants before because the instructions were like not there. They were half not there. So I know how to do slash pockets, but there was nothing on how to do that. And yeah, I just kind of figured it out. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't want to talk too badly about something or someone, but I cannot give this pattern a good review. But I have pants and I wear them to sleep in, and we'll just leave it at that. This pattern, this blouse pattern, was a little bit worse. Okay, so the back top part is flat and the front, you can see it has a curve. So I cut out the front as the curve because that's what it said the front was on the actual pattern piece itself. And then I cut the flat part as the back. Well, come to find out, I think that they weren't clear about this, but I think what they wanted you to do was to do either two curved pieces or two flat pieces. The curved piece and the flat top piece do not, let me repeat, do not match at the side seams, and I measured the pattern pieces themselves, not my fabric. So I had to kind of like cut this down, like slope it down so that the side seams could match in length. And then the facing was a little bit of a mess because of that, and then when I put it on, it was like really wide under the arms, and so I had to like squeeze it in like after the fact. But then like it's kind of was small also, but then like out here it was sticking out, so I just pinched it a little. Anyway, long story short, it fits barely. And every time I wash it, obviously these get really wrinkled, and so I have to like quick iron them just a little bit, which I don't even love wearing it that much, and I still have to iron it, which makes it like 10 times worse. Needless to say, I don't wear it very often, but I do wear it. I suspect in my next like purge of all my clothes that this is gonna go, but I will keep it for a little while. I'm really sad that I probably can't use the fabric for something else because it's already so small. It's cut on such a small, into such a small garment already, but the pants still work. So I think I got this fabric from fabrics-store.com. And if I just can order some more of this color, I could just make like a Demeter top, which I'll pop a picture of up here, for the top. And then I would have like a cute like pajama set with just like a top and some shorts. Or I could make an Ogden Cami for the top as well, which is a way better like fitting camisole for me. So I'm gonna keep the pants. They're a little bit smaller than I'd like them to be, but they still fit. So that's the first batch cutting make slash failure, but that's okay because the rest of them were fabulous. So the other thing is I wanted to make a jacket, which this isn't really a jacket. I mean, it technically is, but it's kind of just like a cover up, like for the summer, if I'm wearing like a camisole or something like that, and I really love it. This is workshop patterns as well, but this pattern was really easy to put together. I will say the way that they had me do the neckline was a little bit confusing, and they were not very clear, so I had to like figure it out myself. Just the way that like the seam allowances should go and how to get them to lay flat so everything like flows well from here to here. It's really not that complicated, but the rest of it was really easy, and it's such a breezy like top jacket, and it took very little time. So that one was more of a success. So we're getting better. So then I made a very, very foolproof pattern after that, because that was very frustrating. And it is anything Anna Allen clothing makes. Any pattern she has is like literally so amazing. The instructions are amazing. The fit is amazing. She is amazing. So this is my third pair of Pomona pants / shorts. But this was my first pair of the actual shorts. Oh, and they're backwards. So I put 2 pockets on the front. She has an option. They're the same pocket. You can just decide to put them on the front or the back, or 2 in the back and none in the front, or whatever. But on the shorts I put 2 in the front, which is kind of what she suggests. Really nice linen. They're a little bit wrinkly, but not too wrinkly. These are just right out of my closet, and I wear them all the time, and they are like a beautiful like kind of blue-green linen, and I love them. So success, and I love them, and they're high-waisted and beautiful, and I have a picture of them that I will show you right now. Okay, next, so this naughty shirt fell off the hanger, which is funny because it wants to fall off of me as well all the time. And we will talk about this issue in a minute. But this is beautiful Lola Blouse that I made with polka dots. And oh, it's so beautiful on. It drapes really well. The neckline, the scalloped neckline, I hope you can see, is just so beautiful. And it's a little bit lower in the back here. And I put a little tag back here. See, oh, there it went, falling off the hanger. I put a little tag back there. It says one of a kind. So that is a fun little detail. The neckline really wasn't that hard to do. The way that she does it in her video is really cool. By the way, before I put this back in my hanger, this was the most difficult part for me. So I added these little tabs, which she tells you to do, on the inside at the shoulder seams, that basically wrap around and like snap onto themselves. Okay, so here's the thing. I had snaps. I had snap pliers. They did not want to be married together. So I had some Dritz snap pliers, but then I had some snaps that were not the Dritz brand. And for the life of me, I could not get the snaps to go on here. They kept falling off. They kept not attaching very well. They were like off center. Oh my gosh. This top was so easy, but the snaps took me like 2 hours. Pulling them out, messing with them, thinking I had it done, but then they came out again. And then I like didn't like how I was looping it, so I like changed the side the loop was on, and oh, it was such a pain. Okay, so at the end it was like, why aren't these working? And I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't have the right brand. I bet that the snap pliers, the Dritz snap pliers, only really match with Dritz snaps. And the only reason I say that is because in all of their YouTube videos, the snaps stay in the pliers. Like you can like snap. You can put the snaps in the pliers and they like stay in the pliers. So it's like you're not trying to like help it not fall out or something like that. Anyways, if you've never done snaps, you probably think I'm like talking about something really weird. But, oh, my parents just got here. I better wrap this up. Anyway, the snaps were the hardest part, but otherwise, this was very easy top, and I love it, and I will show you some pictures right now. We've got 2 pairs of pants. The Ninni Culottes by Named Clothing in this striped Tencel twill. Here we go. Wear them almost every day. And the Cielle Pants, I think that's what you call them, by the Hemming in this beautiful, like chiffon, not chiffon, it's more like a crepe fabric. It's a little bit see-through, but not too bad. Like, I can't wear like black undergarments with it, but it's not too bad. I love how it gathers on the side, but has a flat waistband on the front, and so the gathering is elastic, so it's stretchy. I added this beautiful heart button there that I love. And I generally love how this pattern turned out. I did have to add interfacing to where the zipper was. And I love this pattern. I like the fit. The only thing is the front is a little bit weird on me, like the crotch area. I feel like it just kind of hugs me. It's not tight, but it's just kind of like, it's tighter than I would want it to be. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I think it's just the way the fabric is, honestly. But I don't know. And then they're really long. So, and it has, it's supposed to, I don't know if it's supposed to have an invisible hem. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I just did a regular hem. But it's got a very, very large hem here, which I kind of like, and I think it's nice. But so these turned out pretty well, and I will show you some pictures of both pairs of pants right now. I'm gonna have an entire video for this dress and some other DIY things, but this was the no pattern dress by By Hand London that I made, and it is beautiful. It is really easy to make, and I love it so much, and I will talk about it in another video, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. But it's made out of Liberty of London, and I will show you some pictures right now so you can get a little tease. In about a week and a half because I was on vacation, which was really fun. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell if you want to be notified when I have another video. Hit the like button. If you like this video, it'll help other people find it, and leave me a comment below on things that you're planning on making. I would love to know. Please tell me. I love all the juicy details. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just let me know. And you guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.